Unlock the secrets to crafting captivating progressive house anthems in Ableton Live 12 today. First, let's lay down a solid foundation with our drums. Drag and drop a standard drum rack onto a MIDI track. We'll start with a punchy kick, something with a good transient for the snare. We want a nice mid-range presence, maybe with a touch of reverb to give it spice. Add a crisp hi-hat and a closed hi-hat for that rhythmic pulse. Experiment with velocities to create a more natural feel. Now, let's program a basic groove. A fourth kick is classic progressive house. Place the snare on beats to and for the hi-hats. Think about intricate patterns, maybe opening up on the off beats for a driving feel. Subtle swing on the hi-hats will add that infectious groove. Time for the signature synth. Load up Ableton's simpler. We'll craft a warm, evolving pad. Start with a saw wave, perhaps deaden it slightly for width. Add a touch of chorus for thickness. We want a slow attack and a medium release to create that signature smooth unfolding. Let's dial in some filter cutoff automation to make it breathe. On a separate MIDI track, let's load another simpler. This time, we'll create a melodic lead. A sine wave or a slightly brighter waveform works well. Experiment with portamento for smooth note transitions. We'll focus on a catchy, memorable melody. Think about using velocity to add expression to your notes. Now, let's bring in some bass. Load up operator or wavetable for a rich sub-bass. A simple sine wave with a touch of saturation will provide the necessary weight for the mid-bass. Consider a saw wave with a low-pass filter, carefully modulated to follow the kick. A simple, driving bass line that locks in with the kick drum is key. To glue it all together, we'll move to the mixing stage. Start with balancing your levels. Ensure the kick and bass are well-defined and prominent. Use EQ to carve out space for each instrument, preventing muddiness. Add subtle compression to control dynamics and make sounds punch through. Finally, for that professional polish, we'll use a master chain. A touch of multiband compression can help control the overall frequency spectrum. A limiter is essential to bring up the perceived loudness without clipping. And finally, a touch of stereo width can open up the sound stage. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your own compelling progressive house tracks in Ableton Live 12. Keep experimenting, keep pushing your creativity, and most importantly, have fun making music.